Good morning, dear friends. It's great to see you again in another episode from the English 101 UK with your host, Idris Mirsi. Actually, one of the most important skills that you should have as an English speaker is to be able to present and express yourself to others in English effectively. That's why in this lesson and in the two upcoming ones, we will be learning together how to do self-introduction or self-presentation. Although it's a fundamental thing, however, it is very essential in order to present yourself to others effectively and accurately. Well, we all know that it's not very easy when you first start communicating with people around you, or when you first start trying to talk to people who you know, or even to those who you don't know. Maybe due to a lack of vocabulary, speaking skills, communicating skills, or maybe just because you don't have enough confidence about yourself. Well, I think it's very necessary as an English speaker to be able to express about yourselves and present yourselves to your listeners clearly and effectively, as this will help you feel more confidence about yourselves and encourage you to carry on speaking to people in English. So, if you are a beginner, this lesson targets you and suits you just perfectly. However, it is still suitable for you if you are not beginner, as it gives you the opportunity to review what you might have missed, or even to revise what you might have forgotten, by taking you through it bit by bit from the very beginning up to your current level. That's why we are breaking it down into 3 parts. Part 1 gonna be in lesson 8, part 2 is going to be in lesson 9, while eventually part 3 is going to be in lesson 10. So please just sit back, relax, and enjoy yourselves. Okay, so let's get started from the beginning. Now, what's the first thing ever you would probably like to let people know about you when you first meet them? Of course, that's your name, isn't it? Then what? Your position or professional, your age, nationality, place where you live, country or city, things you like or dislike, things you can or can't do, your language, including your native and second language, your qualifications, your hobbies and interests. Of course, there are many others, but let's just stick to this for now. We have got many ways of introducing ourselves to others in English, and this is one way of doing it. For instance, my name is Idris Mirsi. Well, my first name is Idris and my surname is Mirsi. I am a student, a taxi driver, a bus driver, a businesswoman, a businessman, or a teacher. I am 18, 20, 23, 25, or 30 years old. I am from the United Kingdom, the United States, or Canada. I live in London, in New York, or in Paris. I can speak 2 or 3 languages. My native language is I can speak English a little bit, quite well, very well, or fluently, but I can't speak Spanish. My interests and hobbies are reading, writing, or walking. My favorite hobby is jogging. I like traveling, cycling, but I don't like driving cars or riding bikes. These are some of the basic information you might want to let other people know about you when you first meet them. How to ask others to get to know each other. This is what we will be learning in our next lesson. Until that time, enjoy yourselves. Bye.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.